Hey,
Hey, wait! Is that thing cutting your lawn?
sure is. I call him Tank. That's the Lymow 1 Plus. Been a real game changer out here.
I love those clean lines.
Looks good, doesn't it?
It does.
Tank's giving me 4 hours of my weekend back. While Tank handles the lawn, I just do things I want to do. I can hang out with my dog, with my friends, with my family. I can work out, read, things that I want to do. I just open the Lymow app. It takes care of the lawn, and I'm free to do what I want to do with a great looking lawn. But it's not just about convenience. The tech here is serious. It's real. These caterpillar tracks are just like the ones you see on a bulldozer or a tank. They have amazing grip on soft dirt or mud, and they can turn on a dime. It's actually really impressive. And there's some serious tech underneath the hood here too. The dual blade system with the Cut System 2.0, it actually creates a cyclone airflow that pulls the grass up for more effective cutting. And no, you don't have to worry about it running off and getting lost like a little dog. This thing uses an RTK VSLAM navigation system, which in English means it uses both GPS and cameras. So it's surprisingly precise. It can avoid obstacles or pets automatically. I actually tested this on my lawn where I put a couple obstacles there and it avoided them perfectly. And since it always knows where it is, even near trees or buildings, it'll pick up the signal where signals usually drop. And that's impressive as well. Smart. And because of the track drive system, it handles my lawn's crazy slopes and uneven patches without slipping. Again, it's basically built like a tank with a reinforced aluminum alloy frame that's basically ready for anything. I mean, my other lawnmower, there's no way it makes it up this incline. But Lymow 1 Plus makes it look easy. And check out the lines. Perfect. You can even adjust the angle of these lines. If you don't like them diagonal, you can make them straight. You can crisscross them. I've never seen that in an automatic lawnmower app, but it's here in the Lymow app. Now, we like to travel a bunch, and going away for the weekend was like a crazy rush. I'd be frantically mowing my lawn while trying to pack. Today, Lymow 1 Plus takes care of it so I don't get a letter from Susan at the HOA. And it even has a camera, and in the app, I can see it exactly where it is on my lawn from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. That's some amazing technology. You can even use this as a security camera to check on your house when you're away. And what's really impressive is the power in this thing. I have a jungle next to my house, I call it. And there's like little small branches that fall out of the trees and leaves. Things that would normally get jammed in a smaller automatic blower. But Lymow 1 Plus just chews right through it. No problems. It just chops them up into mulch with no problem. I mean, look at all this junk here. No problem whatsoever. It chops it up and I don't have to stop and worry about it. Lymow 1 Plus really does let me spend less time mowing and more time enjoying the weekend with people I care about. And if you think these things are complicated to set up, Lymow has made this incredibly easy. Now, this is a pretty heavy box. When your delivery shipper drops this off, it's probably going to need 2 people to carry this inside. And the instructions are very simple. You have a quick start, big sheet of paper, very easy on the eyes for older people like me, so I appreciated that. And there it is, Tank, again, I call him. And you'll probably call yours Tank because it looks like a tank. And it's pretty heavy, so you're going to need heave-ho, use your legs. Hopefully I did that right. And then underneath here, you'll find the power supply. This will charge the battery, the onboard battery for your Lymow 1 Plus. And then underneath this styrofoam is the charging station. Now, this is pretty light. It's not heavy at all. It looked pretty heavy, but there's nothing in there. It just sits on the ground. And it comes with a couple of screws that you'll need to screw into the ground to keep it there from blowing away. It is, again, pretty light. But you do need this outside, and it will need to be in an open area. I tried to put mine in a covered area, and it just didn't have the reception. And there it is again, the Cut System 2.0. Dual replaceable rotary blades combined with a cyclone airflow design that lifts the grass so you get a consistent clean cut every single time, regardless of what kind of grass you have. I just needed to plug in the battery. It's unplugged when it ships from the factory. It just pops right in there. Shove it back in, clip it back on, put the cover back on. Here is your on button. You hold that for a few seconds and she turns on. You can go through all this in the quick start. The information and the manual are also in the app. Very easy to set up. But I just wanted to show you how easy this is, not like the old days. Here's the power supply. Red means it's charging. Green means it's on standby. And here's a QR code for the Lymow app, which is free, and this is how you control your lawnmower. This is very simple to use. Again, there's like a quick start and tips built into this app itself. So you hit the ground running. You know exactly what you're doing as soon as you fire this app up. All you do is turn it on, you hook it up to their satellite system, and you are ready to let this thing take over the lawn duties so you can enjoy your weekend.
This is going to go on here, and this is going to go up like that.
Once you've got that pole all screwed together and the antenna on, just find an open spot that has a clear view of the sky, because this is what's going to connect to the satellite system. And then we just plug everything in. We plug in the charging base and also the satellite receiver, and you are in the app ready to connect this thing and set up your mowing areas. It's really easy. I'm not going to lie, it's actually fun. It's like driving a remote control car around your lawn. So what you do is just go to the boundaries, to the furthest end of where you want this to mow. Mine's going to go right next to my fence. Obviously, I'm still going to have to do a little bit of edging, a little bit of weed whacking there, but no problem. On this part of my lawn, which goes probably a good 100 feet down, I don't need to touch this at all because it's all mulch on the side. Lymow 1's going to take care of it. And there it is compared to another lawnmower, a brand that I shall not mention here, but you can see it's a little bigger, and you could really see the definition of those tank tracks in a different type of design on this lawnmower. So I took this all the way down to the edges of my lawn, and that's it. It outlined it. I told it done, and now I had area number 1 mapped. I had 2 more areas on my lawn, and that was it. Once I had those mapped, it was ready to go, and automatic lawn mowing was initiated. This is the coolest thing. I love this technology. Look, if you're tired of the endless yard work, look into Lymow 1 Plus. It's efficient, smart, and honestly the best trade-off I've ever made for my weekend. Check the link in the description, see how it works for your lawn. I'll see you guys in the next one.